Today, we're going to be creating a cased caddis. We'll start off with some Vivas thread. This is 12/0 in black. Attach that to our hook shank, snapping the excess free. We'll then insert a lead-free wire into our bead to help fix it in place. Secure it tightly to the hook shank and helicopter free. We will then build up a thread dam just behind our lead-free wire and create a thread base wrapping into the bend of our hook. Return the thread to the head of your fly and whip finish, cutting the thread free. We're going to grab some 5-minute epoxy. Now I like to use this JB Weld in clear. Mix it together and then paint it over the body of our fly, leaving a bit of room towards the head. Today is also our 20,000 subscriber giveaway. For your chance to win, you can check the description below. Once we're happy with our epoxy, we're going to grab some rocks and sprinkle them onto the top of the epoxy. We'll repeat this process until the body is completely covered or cased in these rocks. Then set it aside and let the resin fix. Once the resin is fixed in place, we will reattach our thread to the head of the fly and snap the excess free. Grab some olive hare's ear dubbing, create a dubbing noodle, and wrap this right along the rock casing that we just created, making sure to leave some room at the head of the fly for our next steps. Once happy, we'll grab our dubbing brush, brush this free, giving it a nice buggy look, and grab a turkey tail. We'll select about 6 to 8 fibers and measure them out to reach our hook point. Transfer the measurement and secure the turkey tail in place, taking wraps both in front as well as behind, and snipping the excess free. To give them a better look, we'll grab a pair of tweezers and push these back up against our bead. If done properly, it'll make these turkey tails look a little more like legs. Grab some more olive dubbing and use that to finish the head of the fly, pushing our legs back as well. Whip finish, snip our thread free, and brush it out to give it a buggy look. And that is the rock cased caddis. This fly sinks like a rock and fish love it. Thank you guys for watching, subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.